Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 12 months. Once confirmed, enable two-step verification and verify your identity because security speeds approval. Make sure an AdSense account is linked. This is where revenue lands. Collect a short list of your top 20 videos and flag any copyrighted clips so the review goes smoothly. These first steps remove obvious blockers and set the stage for purchasing a monetization pack that actually gets applied to a verified. Once prerequisites are done, pick a trusted provider and review terms carefully. You want clear refund timelines and step milestones. Provide only the channel URL and AdSense email. Do not share passwords, because reputable services perform actions through your account settings or guided steps. Make sure milestones are defined: account checks, incremental delivery, and final verification. Ask for dated screenshots and status notes at each stage so you can confirm changes. This prevents surprises and lets you pause or dispute if the work. To finish, verify monetization status in YouTube Studio. The Monetization tab must show approval and an active AdSense link, because that confirms earnings routing. Once enabled, monitor AdSense for initial impressions and make sure payout thresholds and tax forms are completed. If something goes wrong, collect dated screenshots, message logs, and milestone receipts, then request a refund per the seller's SLA. If the seller doesn't resolve it, escalate with YouTube or Google support, using the collected evidence to reopen the review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.